Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to David Tago official channel. All of you, please new subscribe, bell icon, like, share, comment, anytime notification. Let us watching for YouTube. Listen.
Tapirgaoji, Honorable MLA Kentorinaji, Honorable MLA Kardo Nilyoji, Honorable MLA Gokar Basarji, Honorable MLA Ninnawirinji, Honorable MLA Kali Moyongji, Jila Parishad members, PRI bodies, Gamburas, Karset troops, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. I, on behalf of atTabiRipo village in particular and Lower Siang district in general, welcome you on this Foundation Day of Victory Bridge over Singan River. Honorable Chief Minister Sir, your August visit will usher a new era of progress and development in the history of atTabiRipo village after a period of 115 years where Noel Williamson did an assistant political officer Sodia toward atTabiRipo in 1908 and in the British India. atTabiRipo are two separate villages in which atTabiRipo, former DC and retired Chief Secretary Pasigat, resettled and reunited atTabiRipo village for establishment of government primary school in 1967 and school functional in 1969. Our village is endowed with rich flora and fauna, rich cultural heritage site, Pixi Picte, Tushi Tute, Takuli Tak, Kriya Yorbe, and Kodedutu, in which tangible and intangible heritage site exists in this region. Kodedutu is one of the most important heritage sites where the people of area fortify themselves by digging and cutting strategically narrow hill with apprehension from attack of British armed forces after the 1911 incidents where Noel Williamson were killed, like Tembang fortified village of West Kameng district, sir. Late Kemokai of Ripo village and late Chikom Kadu of Saku village rendered and dedicated valuable services to the nation in the capacity of Assam Rifle Army during 60s. atTabiRipo route is one of the oldest traditional route of Upper Arunachal Pradesh to connect Assam in foothills of Arunachal Pradesh in the olden days. The people of atTabiRipo is cut off from the rest of the world from April to October in every year. We construct motorable road by ourselves and at our own cost during winter at a distance of 10 kilometers from the road head to our village. The situation took a serious turn when our people die beyond our village during summer, where dead body cannot be brought back for funeral as per our customs and conventions. The atTabiRipo boys cannot find a bride from other areas as girls wish away when they are heard of atTabiRipo bottleneck communication. The push factor is in geometrical progression and pull factor is in diminishing distance. Our people are known for hard work and hospitality and integrity. Until and unless the freedom is in danger, invasion is in progress, and justice is threatened by others. We are vibrant team member of Team Arunachal and Team India under your governance, good governance and capacity building. We are part of solution to the problem, but not a part of problem, which is principle of our former legendary Chief Minister, late Dorji Kandu, who is one of my mentor of art of administration and resolve problem on spot like prosperous Mejiquen. And our relationship was that of a father and son. Your constant love and guidance is our strength and oasis in the deserted island, TabiRipo village. Grateful to our Honorable MP, my contemporary, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Grateful to our Honorable MLA, who is our mentor of TabiRipo students in the past and divine big brother, leader and a guide. Thank you, Join.